Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I do have the Shelly Wall Display X2 and I'm going to tell you how to adjust the screensaver up to your own needs. At first tap this gear icon over here and here tap on the screen. Turn on the third option, enable screensaver. Here, now we can adjust the screensaver up to our own needs. We will have pretty element, which can be the humidity, temperature or time. We can enable or disable the show media controls, as you can see. And if we enable that, we can enable the media like music or Sonos, but I don't have the Sonos speaker, so I won't show you how to manage with the Sonos. And here, apart from that, we have show current weather. You can enable that or show photos from your library. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.